Alright.
National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado
What was
warning
that?
for north central Talladega County, northeastern Shelby County, St. Clair County, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado
Oh, God.
over Mount Laurel or near Chelsea, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Bell City, Leeds, Moody, Rainbow City, Springville, Odenville, Lincoln, Margaret, Argo, Asheville, Riverside, Ragland, Steele, Bald Rock, Van Diver, Branchville, Logan Martin Lake, Honda
Are you charging?
Manufacturing of Alabama, Coosa Island, and Neely Henry Lake.
Yes.
To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Shelby and St. Clair.